Hey everybody, I'm Dynamic John Mickle of Dynamic Carpet Care. And one thing I'm asked quite a bit is, what do I do if I get moisture in my carpet or if it's wet? One of the things you got to do is when you come home and you realize that your carpet is wet and there's moisture in it, there's a couple things you're going to need. You're going to need a shop vac. Hopefully you have that sitting in the garage. Everybody should. You're going to have a bottle of warm water mixed with some vinegar, and we'll talk about why. And you're going to have just a standard box fan. What you do is go to the area that's wet, take your shop vac, turn it on, and you're going to go over the area and continue to extract that area. You want to get as much moisture out as possible. You're not going to get it all out, but you're going to get quite a bit with a good shop vac. Next thing, keep your bottle of warm water with vinegar. Why? The vinegar is a neutralizer. We don't want any mildew to form or have a mold issue there. The vinegar will neutralize the odor and make sure that there's no problems with mold or mildew. And the next step is really important. Again, that box fan, just plug it in and blow it onto that area. We want to keep the air circulating there, again, to make sure that there's no mold issues. So I hope this helped getting moisture out of your carpet. If you have a problem, contact a local professional or feel free to email me directly at www.dynamiccarpetcaretampa.com. And I'm Dynamic John Mickle with Dynamic Carpet Care, and keep it clean, my friends.